Hi everyone, welcome back to another interesting recipe, and today we're going to see a very healthy as well as delicious high protein salad for weight loss, and it's chickpea and paneer salad loaded with crunchy colorful veggies. So let's get started with this amazing salad recipe which you can enjoy as a complete meal and include in your weight loss diet plan. And here I've taken around 150 grams of paneer or cottage cheese cut into cubes of medium portions like this. And now we will season them with some salt as per taste. Then goes 1 tablespoon of Piri masala, which has got all the required flavors, so don't need to add any other spices or seasonings. And now we will rub the salt and Piri masala well over the paneer cubes, and we'll let them rest for about 10 minutes. And here I have taken 1 cup of chickpeas which has been boiled in salt water, and you can adjust the quantity of paneer and chickpeas as per the portion of salad you are making. And now I will slightly saute the paneer cubes and chickpeas. For that I will heat a teaspoon of olive oil in a pan, and when the oil is hot enough, I'll add the paneer cubes seasoned with salt and Piri masala. On medium flame, we will saute them for just 1 minute until they are well browned from both the sides. For that we need to keep on flipping the paneer cubes in between. And by now the paneer cubes are well browned from all the sides, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now in the same pan we will add the boiled chickpeas. We'll season them with a pinch of salt and Piri masala. We'll mix the seasonings well with the chickpeas and we'll saute them for just 1 to 2 minutes. And these are also done, so I will take them off. And once the chickpeas are cooled down, we'll transfer them to a mixing bowl. And now into this we'll add some colorful veggies. Here goes some red, green and yellow bell peppers cut into medium portions. Then goes chopped English cucumber, chopped tomatoes, as well as chopped onions, all cut into chunks of medium portions. Also I'm going to add some pitted black and green olives, as well as some chopped cilantro, which will add a fresh flavor to the salad. And finally goes the sauteed peri paneer cubes. So assembling of the salad is done, and now we shall prepare a flavorful salad dressing. For that we'll take a mixing jar and into it we'll add 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Then goes 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. To balance the flavor, I'm adding a teaspoon of honey, which will greatly enhance the flavor of our salad dressing. For seasoning goes some salt as per taste, a pinch of black pepper, and a teaspoon of chili flakes. We'll now close the lid and shake it well. And our flavorful salad dressing is ready. And now we will pour the dressing generously over the salad and toss this really well for at least 2 minutes so that the dressing is well incorporated with all the ingredients. And our salad is now ready to be served and enjoyed. So I have placed some roughly chopped lettuce in my salad bowl, and on top goes our healthy and delicious high protein chickpea and paneer salad loaded with crunchy and colorful veggies. So friends, I hope you will try this salad recipe and include in your weight loss diet plan. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more healthy and interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.